Good morning, you guys. So today is another lovely day. It's a bit windy. I just walked the dogs, so this is what it looks like outside right now. Like when it focuses. Come on, focus. There we go. So it's actually quite a nice day today. So I am going to turn that down. There we go. I am going to record one of the Sims 4s. I'm hoping today there's no lag in the videos. I am praying to God. I'm recording right now and then probably head to the gym for a bit and then probably just chill for the rest of the evening, just because I have work in the morning. I've got to be up at like 7 o'clock. It's not too bad. It's just from Monday onwards I have to be up at like 3 in the morning, so it's not too bad. Not really complaining. It's part of my job, so I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I am off out to the gym. It is so freaking windy. Like, what is wrong with this weather? Like, it's sunny and it's windy and it's just like so freaking annoying. So yeah, I'm off to the gym. Sorry, it is so windy. I'm trying to cover my camera right now, but it's so windy, so I will see you guys when I'm in a bit more not so windy place. Okay, it's not as windy here because the buildings are blocking the wind. So basically today I just chilled out and did a few videos of Sims 4 and then had some lunch, chilled for a bit of a nap, and then basically now I'm off to the gym. It's basically been my day. It is so windy today, like utterly windy. I was like, oh my goodness, it's meant to be like this for the next couple of days, so it's gonna be windy for a while, so this could be interesting. So I will see you guys when I get into the gym. Hey guys, so I have just made it to the gym. I know I'm in the bathroom. This is a kind of private bathroom. It has like a shower, toilet, so you can shower privately, which is so freaking nice. So it is very windy, so you can't hear me through this camera, then I'm really sure I'll try my hardest to cut it out as much as I can. So basically, if you didn't hear me in the last clip, I basically edited Sim 4, I filmed some of Sims 4, and then I edited my vlog and all that stuff. I chilled out, had a nap, and now I'm at the gym. So I will see you guys once I have finished the gym. Hey guys, so I just came out of the gym. It was so windy where I was. I didn't film that from just right over here where it's not as windy. It was actually a good gym session. I did more of my legs today than I did my chest, so it was kind of leg day for me. I do a bit of cardio first, warm myself up, do some stretches, and then I do like all the weights and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been it's really windy, a really good gym session. So I'm on the way home right now. I'm probably gonna get a bus back home because it's just so freaking windy, and I'll see you guys when I get home. So I am on the bus right now. So yeah, today's been pretty chilled and productive day. Went to the gym for a bit, chilled for a bit, so it's been a bit of a good day. I know I'm sorry if you can't hear me well, you hear me now, but when I'm outside it's obviously really windy at the moment. So if you didn't hear me in the last clip, I basically did my legs and I did quite a lot more cardio today, so probably have a rest day tomorrow because I'm working anyway, 9 till 4, so probably won't go to gym tomorrow. I'll probably go to gym Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday I probably won't go because I've got things happening, things to do and all that stuff. So I'll probably go to gym like Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, just to, you know, catch up on the days. But yeah, it's been a pretty good day. I know I've not been vlogging much. I get really scared of vlogging, and my camera is like almost out of battery, that's why I'm not like vlogging long lengths of a time. But it's all good. I'm still getting used to it. I just get a bit like, you know, sometimes I still get a bit worried that I'm vlogging in public, and also I've been vlogging for like almost a month, almost got 2 months now, and I'm still sorry about that, my camera's almost out of battery, so I'm going to do this really quickly. So basically what I'm trying to say is I know I should be vlogging more, and so I'm going to try and do that more often. I'm just on the bus right now on the way home, just to get home a bit more earlier. So I will catch you guys when I get back home. Hey guys, so I managed to get home and I'm just going to have a nice chilled evening. I think I'm going to edit my vlog and probably edit Sims 4 ones that I've filmed so far, and then probably hit the hay because I've got work in the morning. But today's been pretty decent. Like, I went to gym, I've chilled basically, and now I'm ready to go back to work. So tomorrow will be back to work day, and next couple of days going to be like an early morning probably wake up call for me. One of them's going to be 3 in the morning, so I'm going to be very, very tired. So I'm going to edit my vlog and I'll catch you guys in a bit. So I've just been watching like Mastermind. If you know guys watch that, it's such a cool little show. I love it. I think it's so cool. And then I'm watching like Pointless. I was not going to show me. I can't remember what it's called. But it's basically where it's like Impossible. That's the one. Impossible. That's the TV show. I'm watching that right now. I am uploading my vlog as I speak, and then about to have my dinner, which is spag bowl, which is one of my favourite dinners. I love spag bowl. And then I'm probably going to record some of The Sims 4. I'm not sure if you can see me or not. I really don't know. Lighting is terrible. I'm sorry. But I am going to end this vlog here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.